How to fix try searching to get started problem on YouTube. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome, then go to YouTube and log into your account. Then click on two lines on search bar. Click on Cookies and Site Data, then Manage on Device Site Data. Delete all the data. After deleting all the data, simply click on Done. Then reload the page. After reloading the page, click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find Help. And click on About Google Chrome. And make sure your device is updated. And that's how you fix try searching to get started problem on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.